Ready to start your Australian adventure? Here are the top tips every international student should know. Plan your weekly budget and take advantage of student discounts wherever you go. Always keep your important documents safe and stay updated on your student visa conditions. Use public transport to save money and explore your new city with confidence. Most importantly, make friends, join campus activities, and don't be afraid to ask for help. At Ausgate, we're here to support you, from course consultation to student visa assistance. Plus, our partner institutions offer flexible payment installments to help make studying in Australia more affordable. Study smarter, live better, and thrive in Australia with Ausgate. Message us now and get a free consultation.